video, we are going to learn about some of the abbreviations in biology. Coming to the nutrition chapter, NADPH, nicotinamide, adenine, dinucleotide, phosphate, hydrogen. FAD, flavin, adenine, dinucleotide. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And ADP, adenosine diphosphate. RUBP, ribulose bisphosphate. Coming to the respiration chapter, BOD, biochemical oxygen demand. BMR, basal metabolic rate. COD, chemical oxygen demand. Coming to the transportation and excretion chapter, BP, blood pressure. PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. DCT, distal convoluted tubule. ESRD, end stage renal disease. RBC, red blood corpuscles. WBC, white blood corpuscles. Coming to the coordination chapter, CNS, central nervous system. PNS, peripheral nervous system. ANS, autonomous nervous system. ENS, enteric nervous system. ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. LH, luteinizing hormone. CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. Coming to the reproduction chapter, HIV, human immunovirus. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. ART, antiretroviral therapy. ASHA, ASHA, accredited social health activist. IVF, in vitro fertilization. IUDs, intrauterine devices. STDs, sexually transmitted diseases. RTIs, reproductive tract infection. Coming to the heredity chapter, F1 generation, first filial generation. F2 generation, second filial generation. F3 generation, third filial generation. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA, ribonucleic acid. GMS, genetically modified seeds. GMC, genetically modified crops. Coming to the our environmental chapter, 2,4-D, dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. DDT, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. BHC, benzene hexachloride. MOEF, Ministry of Environment and Forest. Coming to the natural resources chapter, ICRISAT, International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics. TMC, 1000 million cubic feet. BBF, broadbed furrow. MTR, mountain top removal. 3 R's, reduce, reuse, recycle. And 4 R's, reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Coming to some more abbreviations, ZSI, Zoological Survey of India. ZSL, Zoological Survey of London. IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institute. LED, light emitting diode. ppm, parts per million. RO, reverse osmosis. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. SRI, System of Rice Intensification. NECC, National Egg Coordination Committee. LPG, liquid petroleum gas. MMR, measles, mumps, rubella. DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. UNDP, United Nations Development Program. WWF, World Wildlife Fund. NIN, National Institute of Nutrition. ICAR, Indian Council for Agricultural Research. WHO, World Health Organization. COVID-19, coronavirus disease in the year 2019. SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome.